Hey, let's start with the truth. Stop letting external things define you. You're constantly comparing yourself to their face, to their success, and to their bank balance. When you do that, you hand over your personal power. You become insecure and you leave yourself open to being taken advantage of. If you don't believe in yourself, you will always play small. You will always be a step behind the people who decided they were worth something. Your first job is to work on your confidence and decide your own value, no matter what your circumstances are right now. The next rule is simple: question everything. Most of what you have been taught, especially by society and tradition, is probably 90% wrong. If you don't seek the truth of yourself, people will mold your ideas and your entire belief system to fit their agenda. Don't be a follower. Find out what is right, what is wrong, what is real. Even when it comes to religion, listen. Listen, but then search for the context, search for the meaning, and make your own connection. If you don't build your own foundation, society will run your life. Anchor yourself in higher purpose. Find something bigger than yourself to anchor to. For me, that's my connection with the Creator. I was completely broken and lost until I found that connection. It's a powerful truth. What you put your efforts into, you learn to love it. Put effort into your spiritual life. Read, learn, pray, and truly connect with your Creator. If you keep your intentions pure and you have that higher purpose, then every single challenge you face is not a burden but a lesson. If you play only for the world, every bit of pain you feel is meaningless. If you connect to something higher, everything has a purpose. Ignore the noise. Do not get distracted by the people around you. I heard it when I was studying. What's the point? You will just get married. You will always have 90% of people trying to tell you to slow down, to stop, to not aim so high. This is the rule. Never take advice from someone whose life you don't want. Look at the person giving you advice. Do you want to be where they are in 5 years? If the answer is no, then their words are noise. Put your head down, keep your focus on your goals, and become blind, deaf, and mute to the negativity. Don't let their fear mold your decisions. Guard your heart. This is the key, especially when you are young. At 16 or 17, you are not mature enough to handle that responsibility or the drama. If you like someone and you are ready for commitment, then pursue an honorable, clear relationship like marriage. If you cannot make that commitment, then you have no business being involved. Do not accept disrespect by letting people waste your time, going on endless dates, or accepting gifts. This is not love. This is lust or temporary interest. You lower your own value when you chase or allow yourself to be chased without respect. True love means establishing a relationship of honor. Build real skills and knowledge. Work on your own knowledge and build real skills. Our education system teaches you how to memorize and how to copy what's in the book, not how to think. You need to come out of the syllabus and think widely. Learn history, learn a new skill, learn what is practical. And a specific note: stop reading fantasy and romantic novels. They fill your head with unrealistic expectations for a partner who does not exist in real life. You will end up disappointed and you will make your real partner miserable. Be realistic about people, be realistic about life. Work on yourself, respect yourself, and make yourself better for yourself. That's it. Now go do the work.